No, he's still walking. We got 2 cameras, right?
Ja, help me. Ik vaar na. Damn.
Okay, I got it.
Catch another king crab. Because the medium one was like,
That was really smart.
bad, you know.
Why did you wheel the thing up?
You know, camera right here. Dada over there walking.
Yeah, go closer.
I can't tell if that's a shadow or that's Dada.
Niggas out here catching crabs, but I have one with my wood. That's not bad. Ooh, no.
That was not good.
Sylvester! Yeah, catch the crab, dog. This. Yeah. We supposed to be fishing in, bro.
For real. And then I said,
Sylvester. Let's go, man.
They're smoking.
Boy, what tell you go down and smoke?
I can't get it. It's too stuck.
Yeah, hold that.
we got 2 cameras on Cameron.
Oh my God. Dude. Let's go. You can't come bring your fishing rod and wrap around his thing? Your fishing rod.
Yeah, come get.
Wrap around his bite.
What about the thing? The one you used to say it was too thick for the thing. You could have used that.
Oh, shit.
So we holding it?
The wood.
The what?
So what is the we?
Oh my God.
May I bring your fishing line? See if you could wrap around his bite.
Here, mommy.
You could try tangle it. You could tie it up.
Watch that right.
Oh, Ariel, go in the Jeep. Better bring it.
Oh, that deep dude.
Yeah, Sylvester, what you need to do is
And that
tri-
demon
I
just
have
right there.
I have an idea, but this concern with you going in the water.
Oh shit. Oh,
Floppy.
you throw me down in the water when you say that.
Hold up.
Come on, man. Make this quick, man. I thought we were supposed to be catching fish.
Yeah, we catching fish.
And
What
crab.
fish, Dada? I mean, I say Dada. Cameron.
Man, oh flick, oh Jesus! I getting free. He coming free. He getting free. He getting free.
Dude, squish his head and do something.
And then what? Who comes like, who was so John when they go get up?
Sylvester, give me a line.
Head crab.
Give me a line. Give me a line. Give me a line.
Going from 2 phones, yeah. Twice the video.
That was a deep dude.
Twice the video, better the quality.
Give me the reel. Lift this up.
Man, I'm confused what Dada doing though.
I don't know, your uncle. I don't know, your uncle.
Yeah, because if he go inside there on
For
that
real?
cliff, it kind of be like that can be, but probably up by his chest.
Oh, Lord, you get free. You get free. I can't see.
What happened?
A roach.
Let me squish the thing, mommy.
Dog, damn thing, get free.
I thought that was a
Better than that. Dude.
Hey, shine the light. I need to see.
It is not.
Stay.
If you stay talking about Riley, stay.
Because you.
It gone eh?
God. It was a
I was looking
crab.
for the next piece of what we can actually like scissors it and then pull it out.
You gonna smoke a cigarette? I got you.
Only thing I see was that red light.
For real.
Free of the tank.
Hey, y'all like people. I'm just like.
Hey, try to break that wood in half.
This wood? You can do the whole
Try to break
thing.
that in half. Then we could scissors take them up.
I thought we were supposed to be catching fish.
Walk right over there. The cliffs is shallow, you know.
You like you hit this shit.
Another fish. Another lost. You were just standing on the.
That overlapping my pink lining.
That's the go all the way down. All the way down.
Sure, and he going back over there
Too.
too.
Say he was thinking.
Hey, watch your foot.
The water here a little monkey now. Alright, you can stop recording now.
What you mean stop recording for?
You gotta want to take a Jesus Christ.
I told you my line was hooked, but still.
Let's go see what we find in your fish, guys. Do we see any other crabs? Should we keep looking, guys? I mean, we had a small medium crab that I found. But those two dudes over there, Kevin and Dada, have one job. And they couldn't even catch it. And there was a small medium crab. Like, it's just so crazy. And they had one job, guys. I'm looking for more crabs. Because I thought we were supposed to be catching fish. But I'm looking. But we had one giant one that's in the cup right now. I say cup, the bucket. Like, you see, guys, if they had a smart idea. Oh my God.